Make America Healthy Again agenda to confront the root causes of chronic disease, especially for children. We put nutrition, physical fitness, and responsible medicine back at the center of health. That's why we're calling out the truth. Ultra-processed food is driving chronic disease. America has the highest chronic disease burden on earth. This is both a public health crisis and an economic crisis. We now spend 90% of healthcare costs, about $4 trillion a year, on chronic disease. It's also a national security crisis. 7 out of every 10 American children cannot qualify for military service. America suffers more than anybody else, but this is a global calamity. More than 40 million people die around the world each year from chronic disease, and 7 out of the 10 most common causes of death are chronic disease. President Trump wants to lead the effort globally against ultra-processed foods and the medical and physical illness associated with it. We're calling on the international community to come together to combat this scourge. We cannot defeat the epidemic alone, but the UN's approach is misdirected. It attempts both too little and too much. It exceeds the UN's proper role while ignoring the most pressing health issues. And that's why the United States will reject it. More specifically, we cannot accept language that pushes destructive gender ideology. Neither can we accept claims of a constitutional or international right to abortion. The WHO cannot claim credibility or leadership until it undergoes radical reform. The United States objects to the political declaration of non-communicable diseases. Member states decided earlier this year that this meeting should approve a declaration in advance by consensus to ensure this gathering would not be marred by controversy. But the declaration is filled with controversy, with provisions about everything from taxes to oppressive management by international bodies of communicable diseases. The draft declaration before us today should not have been included in today's agenda. The United States will walk away from the declaration, but we will never walk away from the world or our commitment to end chronic disease. We stand ready to lead, to partner, to innovate with every nation committed to a healthier future.